Hello children, welcome to Fun Learning channel. Today we are going to do revision of class 3 maths. So let's get started. Write the correct symbol greater than, less than or equal to in the boxes below. So you have to, two numbers will be given to you and you have to check which number is greater, smaller or equal. So 4659. The box is given in the middle, 4569. Now for doing this type of sums, you have to check the highest place value. In both the numbers you can see that there are 4 digits, that means ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So the biggest place value is the 1000 place value. So now you check the digit under that place value. In both the numbers you can see the digit is 4. So you can't make out which number is bigger or smaller. Now move to the next place value, that is the hundreds. And over there you can see 6 is given in one number and in the other it is 5. So 6 is bigger than 5. That means 4659 is bigger or greater than 4569. So this is the method to do these type of sums. You have to check the highest place value and then move to the lower place values accordingly. Next, 9213 and 9312. Again check the highest place value, that is the thousands place. Both the numbers have 9 as its digit. Now move to the next place value, hundreds place. In one you can see 2 is written and the other number 3. So 3 is bigger, that means 9312 is greater than 9213. Circle the smallest number in each row and tick the largest number. So a series of numbers are given to you: 1143, 1413, 143, 2314, 43, 6314 and 9134. So out of this, choose the smallest number. From this series I can see that the smallest number is 43 and the largest number is 9134. Next, arrange the numbers first in ascending order and then in descending order. So again a series of numbers given to you. You have to arrange ascending order and then in descending order. Ascending means you have to arrange the numbers from smaller to greater. That means from small to big. So the smallest number out of these is 302. Then we have 2003. Then 2030. You have to check the place values and the digits that are placed under it, and then you will be able to do this sum, because then we have 2300 and last 3002, that is the highest number. Descending order, just the opposite of the ascending order, arranging the numbers from greatest to smallest. From big to small you have to arrange for descending order. So 3002, 2300, 2030, 2003 and 302. Now write the following. The largest 3-digit number. Any largest number, when it is given, largest number always starts with 9. So since it is 3-digit number, we have to write 9 3 times. 9, 9, 9 is your answer. Next sum, the number which is 1 less than the smallest 3-digit number. Now again you have to find out smallest 3-digit number. Smallest number always starts from 1 followed by zeros. So since it is a 3-digit number, so it will be 1 followed by 2 zeros. So total it becomes a 3-digit number, 100. And 1 is less from that, so minus 1 100 minus 1 becomes 99. That's your answer. And the number which is 1 more than the smallest 4-digit number. Smallest 4-digit, again it will start with 1 followed by 3 zeros. So total it becomes a 4-digit number, 1000. Plus 1, because it is written 1 more. So plus 1, so it becomes 1001. That's your answer. So that's it for today. Thank you.